Hello, my name is Tizem. What's your name?
My name is Shobham.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Yes, SHOWROB.
And where do you come from?
I come from.
Thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Jemi.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Jemi.
Thank you. And where do you come from?
I come from.
Okay. Now in this part, I would like to ask you some questions, okay? So Shoyub, how do you usually spend your holidays?
If it is long holiday, I visit different places. Otherwise, I stay at home and watch TV.
Okay. So where do you like to visit?
Actually, I visit places like parks, cinema, and a restaurant.
Okay, Jamie, do you enjoy your holidays?
Yes, I enjoy my holidays because holidays are all fun and give the opportunity to relax.
So what do you like to do when you are on holidays?
Well, during my holidays, I have spent my time doing lots of things, but most of the time I have spent my time with my family and sometimes going to cinema to watch a new movie.
Okay. So what do you like to do to relax at home on holidays?
I usually try to relax myself by listening to music or visiting outdoors.
Okay. Shoyub, do you like your neighbors?
Yes, I do. They are all familiar to me.
Okay. So how often do you see them?
I see them every weekend.
Okay. So how do you like to help your neighbors?
I help them by giving what they need, like money or grocery.
Okay, thank you. Jamie, do you have lots of friends?
Yes, I have lots of friends because they always inspire me to be a better person.
And who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sadia. We have been friends for more than 8 years.
So what do you like to do with your friends?
Actually, I enjoy almost everything with her because I like her company. So we do many things together, but most of the time I prefer hanging out with her.
Thank you. Now in this part, you are going to ask each other some question. Shoyub, I would like you to ask Jamie about what she likes doing at quiet times. Jamie, I would like you to ask Shoyub about a shop he likes buying things from. Now think about the questions you are going to ask. You have 1.5 minutes. You can write down your questions if you want to. If you don't understand, please ask me. Okay, thank you. Shoyub, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please ask your questions now.
Do you like doing many things at quiet times?
Yes, I like many things at quiet times because I feel peace and calm at this time.
Okay. What do you like to do at quiet times?
I like to do many things at quiet times, but mostly I prefer to read book.
When do you get quiet time?
I get quiet times in the morning and evening.
Okay. How long do you get quiet times for?
I get quiet times for around 2 hours.
Okay. What other things do you get quiet times?
I get quiet times to household work also.
Okay. Do you like sleeping at quiet times?
Yes, sometimes I like sleeping at quiet times.
Okay. Why do you like sleeping at quiet times?
Sorry?
Why do you like sleeping at quiet times?
Because I feel peaceful at quiet times. So
Okay. Do you quiet times more at the weekend or on weekdays?
I get quiet times more at weekends because it is holidays and people make it don't make it much noise.
Thank you.
Jamie, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please ask your questions now.
Well, can you tell me about a shop you enjoy buying things from?
Yes, I can. The shop name is Fashion House and it's located near my house and I go there every weekend.
Is this your favorite shop?
Yes, this is my favorite shop because they sell good quality product.
What do you buy from the shop?
I buy trendy cloth from the shop.
Well, how often do you buy from the shop?
Uh, Basically, I go there many times, like 3 or 4 times a month.
Who do you buy clothes for from the shop?
Um, okay, I buy cloth for my family and myself from the shop.
Well, is this a big shop?
Yes, I think it is a big shop, and I believe the shop twice the size of the exam room.
Does this shop offer discount when you buy something?
Yes, the provide discount when I buy clothes.
Why do you like this shop more than other shop?
Uh, I like this shop because they provide better customer service and they sell good quality products with cheaper price.
Now in this part of the test, you are going to listen to 2 recordings and answer some questions. You hear 2 recorded phone messages. Where is each message from? A doctor's, a sports center's, a hairdresser's. Now listen to the recording.
We're open every day from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. For further information about our classes, including our new swimming classes for mothers and babies, please visit our website. Thank you.
Thank you. Now in the first recording showroom, where is each message from? A doctor's, a sports center, a hairdresser's.
A doctors.
Thank you. In the second recording, Remy, where is each message from? A doctor's, a sports center's, a hairdresser's.
A sports center.
Thank you. Now listen again and answer these questions. Jimmy, in the first recording, what time does the sports center open on Monday? And what can you do to see a doctor at the weekend? Shuru, in the second recording, who are the new swimming classes for? And what day can you save money? Now listen to the recording again.
We open at 8:30 a.m. We're sorry, but we don't have surgeries at the weekend. To see a doctor on Saturday or Sunday, please phone the hospital. Look on our website to find the contact number. Recording 2.
Jamie, in the first recording, what time does the health center open on Monday?
At 8:30 a.m.
And what can you do to see a doctor at the weekend?
Phone the hospital.
Okay, thank you. Shuru, in the second recording, what are the new swimming classes for?
Mothers and babies
And what day can you save money?
on Monday.
Thank you. Now in this part, you are going to talk together. You are going to talk together about giving gifts. Now, talk together about the gifts you like giving.
I like giving gifts. I like to make others happy by giving gift. On what occasion do you like giving gift?
I also like giving gifts on people's birthday. What about you?
Yes, giving gift on birthday to someone is always fun and exciting. I always give gift to my friend on their birthday.
Absolutely, but I always need a lot of time to choose gift for others. Do you do the same?
Yes, I do, but I find it interesting. So I go from shop to find the best gift, and so that I can make them happy.
Yes, it is quite amazing, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Well, what gifts do you give to someone?
Basically, I give gift like mobile phone, headphone, and so on. And what about you?
I also like giving gifts like jewelry, clothes, wallet, or something necessary.
Okay. What gift give to mostly?
I give gift mostly to my friends. Do you give to your friends?
Yes, I do. I always give my friends, so they also give me gift.
Thank you. That's the end of the test.